Welcome back to Unit 2 Test Review. We are going to cover number 31 to 33, and all these videos will be uploaded onto iLearn as well, and I will email them to you, okay? All right, number 31, it says factor the following. Okay, here we go. So to factor the following, what you want to do is, notice there's no equal sign, and your A is not a 1. Also, there's no greatest common factor that goes into 8, negative 11, and 10. Okay, we are going to use the bottoms up method. So go ahead and draw your two sets of parentheses. Know that A is equal to 8 because that is going to come into play later. All right, first of all, 8 times negative 10 is negative 80. Okay, what two numbers multiply to give you negative 80 and is going to subtract to give you 11. So you can go to your different ways to do it. I prefer to do it this way. So I just go 80 divided by 2. That doesn't give me 11. 80 divided by 4. That doesn't give me 11. 80 divided by 5. That gives me 11. So it is 5 and 16. Okay? And I'm going to subtract because that's minus. And since this is negative 11, I know 16 is going to be negative and my 5 is going to be positive. So I'm going to have P plus 5 and P minus 16. And here's the bottoms up. So I'm going to divide each of these by 8, just like that. Okay? Continue with the math. All right. Can I simplify 5 over 8? No. That's already done, but it's not a whole number, so I'm going to move the 8 up, so it becomes 8P plus 5. Hence, the bottoms up. Your next set is P. What is negative 16 divided by 8? Negative 2. And there you have factor. Okay? If you were to multiply these guys together, you're going to get 8P squared minus 11P minus 10. Alrighty, on number 32, don't forget your PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally first. Okay? So first of all, you have 2/3. Minus 9 times 5. Now this is like negative 9 over 1. So what is negative 9 times 5? Negative 45 over 7. Okay? Find your common terms. What is 3 times 7? 21. Now, I am going to do it a little differently. You can rewrite them as 1, but I'm going to do it a little differently. So I'm going to have 21 minus 21. So I'm just going to rewrite it a little differently. Here we go. Look at 3. 3 goes into 21 how many times? 7. So I'm going to multiply that 1 times 7. So you have 14. 7 goes into 21 how many times? 3. So I'm going to multiply this 1 times 3. So 45 times 3 is 135. You have to have a common denominator, okay, because you are adding and subtracting. So, continue on. I'm going to write it as 1. So it is 14 minus 135 comes out to be negative 121, okay? See if there's any number that goes into both of them. What if I divide each of them by 3? That didn't work. What if I divide them by 7? That doesn't work. So this is as small as you can. That is you showing your work. You're just simplifying. Multiply first before you add or subtract. You have to have a common denominator. Okay? 33, you're going to use RREF in the calculator. So you're going to hit second, matrix, right click to math, and hit alpha zoom. Okay? And this is wonderful when you guys are taking the ACT. But go ahead and write it in matrix form first. Notice all your X's are lined up, Y's lined up, equals lined up, your constants lined up. So your matrix will look like that. 6, negative 5, 17. Some people like to draw that line there. Don't forget your little bracket. Negative 3, 9, and negative 15. Okay? From here, it's all calculator work, but you got to be able to translate it. So here we go. Let's see if you guys can see. Let me move this over so maybe you'll see it better. All right. Second, matrix. Right click to math. Scroll up till you see RREF. Okay, push enter. Alpha Zoom. All right. Let me write RREF right there. So this is 2 rows, 3 columns. So this is a 2 by 3. Enter. So I'm going to go 6. Make sure you use the right click button and not the enter, because if you push enter too early, it's not going to be correct. Okay? And now you push enter. Now let me explain to you the solutions. So you have 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, negative 1. Okay? Let me explain what each one of these means. This is an X, this is a Y, and this is your number. This one pretty much says 1X plus 0Y is equal to 2. The second one says 0X plus 1Y is equal to negative 1. 0 times any number is just 0, okay? So therefore, this is saying X is equal to 2 and Y is equal to negative 1. And you know this is X and Y because that's how it is right here on your paper. And your ordered pair is 2, negative 1. And there's your RREF. Okay? Good luck on your quiz or on your test. My apologies. Good luck on your test. I will upload all the videos that I do have, and those that are not will be uploaded tomorrow. Thank you.